welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another fun glam life video. Today, as you guys can see, I have so many boxes behind me, so I'm gonna be doing a PR unboxing haul, a huge haul. So I love watching these kind of videos on YouTube, so I thought, why not do this? I've been going on a lot of trips and I've had a lot of boxes pile up, so today was a very great opportunity to make a video like this. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Arika. I do some beauty, fashion, and fitness videos here on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below, and also keep in touch with me on all of my other social media platforms. They are right here. I also have a blog, so definitely check that out. I am so excited to film this video because I cannot wait to get rid of the boxes and to see what's inside. I'm so grateful for the opportunities that I get, and I am able to receive all these products. It is so amazing, so thank you guys so much for all of your support for so many years. But before we get started on this video, I want to share with you guys something that I find super duper cool. This is from DOSSIER, and they are fragrances, but they are designer fragrance dupes. So I love fragrances so much, but I use so much of it. Like, I travel a lot. As you guys can see my vlogs, I go to Miami, Vegas, New York, and all these places, and I bring my fragrances with me, and I also share with my friends. But I'll be like spraying myself, and then I'll be spraying my friends, and I'll be like just spraying everyone because I want everyone to smell good. So I don't like spending a lot of money on designer fragrances, but I love the scents. I love the nice rich smells, and this one is Floriential Vanilla, and this smells so good. I want to share with you guys what I've been using and loving, and it's only $29, you guys. Like, a lot of fragrances are like $100, $200, $300, $400, $500. Like, there are some that are like $1,000, but at DOSSIER you can get it for $29. So this one is inspired by the YSL Black Opium Eau de Parfum, and the top notes are mandarin, pear, pink pepper, licorice. Middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom, and the base notes are cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. And this smells so good, you guys, and this is only $29. And there are bundles and sales right now, so these are like literally so perfect for Christmas gifts. I think it is so cute, and you can travel with it. So I put it in my makeup bag, travel with it all the way to wherever I'm going, and then I have it with me. I can even bring it in my little evening purse, spray my friends, spray myself. It smells so good. I love it, and it smells very high-end, very designer. I love it, so definitely check them out. I put their link in the description box below. There are so many different bundles that you can get before Christmas, and you could order it. Love DOSSIER so much. They literally have so many varieties of fragrances, and you can find and match like their dupes with the fragrance. And this one is my favorite, the Floriential Vanilla. It smells so good. I love like a sweet, sexy scent, so this one is my absolute fave. I probably need to like take some of these down because it literally looks like domino effects, and it looks kind of scary. So I'm gonna take it down and then we'll open them together. All right, guys, the very first product is from Murad. So Murad has amazing skincare products. I use a lot of their moisturizers, a lot of their skincare. This one is the Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. They really do have amazing things. Like, every time like my friends and I, we go to Sephora and they're like, what do you think is good? I'm like, Murad is really good. If you really want like great skincare, sometimes these PR boxes, all the little things are like just like really in there, which is great because it won't come broken. But you know, girl, my nails, everything. The Murad Retinol Youth Eye Serum, love, and the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. So all of these cute skincare products. I also use their purple line, like all their like hydrating moisturizers, love so much. So definitely check out Murad if you are really into skincare, and they're like simple skincare. It's not like so complex or anything, and doesn't have 40 steps. It's just like, it is what it is. Like, what it says is what it is. So love that. Next, we have a box from Joanna Vargas. I love the Joanna Vargas products. It's called A Gift of Glow. I love it. It must be like a little Christmas or holiday gift. We hope you have a glowing holiday season. I love little like written cards as well. So this is the box. Limited edition set for holiday 2021 vitamin C face wash, rejuvenating serum, and glow to go mask set. It's available exclusively on joannavargas.com and on Amazon. Love that, because you guys know I love doing my Amazon live streams. So I love that Joanna Vargas is available on Amazon as well. Super cute. I'm gonna be using all of this. I'm actually doing a at-home girls night, staying in. So I'm gonna be watching Emily in Paris again because I'm going to the premiere like screening. So I'm gonna be doing that next week. So I'm gonna be rewatching the first part. And then I'm gonna be just like staying in and watching it. So love that. I'm gonna be using all of these Joanna Vargas products tonight. Next, actually this was in a tiny box, but I was like, you know what, let me just open it because it is a new brand called Cali Ray. I thought it was super cute, and it is actually the founder of Urban Decay. She started another brand, and it is like more of a California clean makeup vibe, and it says sexy sustainability. It is 100% post-consumer recycled paper box and ocean plastic tube. So I love that it's like sustainable, and it has like this more like fun light makeup vibe. So this one is Easy Glider eyeliner, black eyeliner, super cute. This is the Cali Ray Clean Mascara. Super cute, love it, love the packaging. So just got new makeup products from Cali Ray. Next, I have a GHD blow dryer. This is the Helios blow dryer. I use this so much, I love it so much, but the one that I use is white, and this one is the Keep a Breast Cancer Awareness blow dryer. So it is pink. So cute, I love it. I think I'm gonna switch over to the pink one because it is so cute, and I love this blow dryer so much, so definitely going to be using this one. Next, I have a package from Pacifica. Oh my gosh, you guys, this sunscreen, this one is the Pacifica Beauty Set and Protect Matte Sheer Setting Mist, but it has SPF protection, UVA and UVB. I love this setting spray. I actually spray it on my face and body. Like sometimes I have it actually like on the go in my purse or in my car, and I spray it all over my face to set my face, but also to make sure I have body protection. I do put sunscreen on every single day, or SPF every single day, but I like to make sure I have extra, so I like using this setting spray, and it's not like, it doesn't smell like sunscreen. It's not like irritating or sticky or anything like that. So I love this, and it is very inexpensive. I think it is like definitely under $10, and you can get it at Target in person as well. But definitely really love this sunscreen so much, so I'm glad I have another one. This is like my second one, and the other one I have been going through it, so I love that they restocked. You guys, it's literally like Christmas every day. I just pick from the pile of boxes, and the next package is from Makeup Forever, one of my favorite makeup brands ever. This is the Rouge Artist Shine On. It is the best of a gloss and lipstick. Love that because I love putting on gloss over my lipstick, but sometimes you want like that one-stop shop. This is the Makeup Forever Rouge Artist. I just love makeup so much, you guys. Let me just grab one. I mean, I don't really want to change my lip color, but I just grabbed a nude, really pretty one. This one is the 182. Oh yeah, it's like a lipstick, definitely, because it's like a bullet lipstick, but it's super juicy. Wow, super cute. Love it. Can't wait to use these. Love Makeup Forever. Next, we have a package from another one of my favorite brands, Laura Mercier. And they always kill it with their holiday packaging. Look at that, super cute. Let's open it. Love their handwritten notes. They always write like a full letter. So whoever has this amazing penmanship at Laura Mercier, love you. And let's see what's inside. I love holiday time because all the makeup brands, they do such a great job. So this is a setting powder and puff gift set. Oh, I mean, I shouldn't open it because I should give it to someone, but I know it's like holiday packaging. Yes, so this is a translucent powder that they usually have, always the one that I always use, but it's in like holiday packaging. It's so cute, I'm gonna keep it. And then it has the little puff. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm gonna give it to my sister-in-law. And then this is Stroke of Midnight brush collection. And the brushes are here. super cute. Next, I have a package from Glow Recipe, and they did a restock on all of my favorite items and their classics. I got the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Love that one. I mean, I love all their stuff. The Watermelon Sleeping Mask is my absolute favorite and probably one of the first items I've ever tried from them. And then the Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. I actually want to try this. This I might try also tonight. I'm gonna be trying a bunch of stuff. Tonight is skincare night, and this is the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, which I also love as well. So many products that I love. Thank you so much, Glow Recipe, for a restock on all of my fave items from your brand. You guys have the most amazing skincare. Next, I have a package from IT Cosmetics. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for the CC Plus cream. I've been using the CC cream for literally this whole year. Like, every time I didn't want to do like full crazy foundation, I use their CC cream, and it is pretty full coverage and amazing and just so like pretty on. I don't know how to explain it, but their CC cream is so good. It's definitely like a foundation, but I love that. So I've been using their stuff, and also has SPF 50, which is amazing. So I've been using IT Cosmetics for a long time, so I'm super excited to get new ones. And then also, this is their foundation and skincare. It says your skin but better foundation and skincare. So I don't have these, which I'm gonna try. Can't wait, but I do have these and I love it. IT Cosmetics, they just know how to make makeup, you know what I mean? They're really great with it, and really goes with my skin. I don't feel it ever feeling dry or cracking or anything like that. Love IT Cosmetics. Like, I like how it feels on my skin, so I can't wait to try the new Your Skin But Better foundation and skincare. My next package I got is from Goli Nutrition. This is the Ashwagandha Gummies Relax, Restore, Unwind. I actually have heard of this supplement. A lot of people say that it helps with anxiety. Ashwagandha has been clinically proven to help maintain normal cortisol levels, to promote a healthy response to everyday stress, and to help with memory, cognition, quality of sleep, and more. This one is Goli Nutrition Superfruits Gummies, and this one is for beauty, wellness, and nutrition. Love that. This one is the Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies. This one is, it says taste the apple, not the vinegar, because I feel like whenever you have apple cider vinegar or anything, it's like, you could taste the bitterness. So I'm excited to try this. Hopefully it doesn't taste like, should I just try it now? Why not, right? Oh, okay, it's not too hard to open. I'll just eat one here with you guys, because they say it doesn't taste like vinegar. So I'm gonna eat one. I don't taste the vinegar. Oh, a little bit of it. I taste a little bit of it, but not too much, where it's like doable. So yeah, I just wanted to try it on camera. The next package is from Luce Beauty. This is Becky G's makeup line, and these are all, it looks like, liquid eyeshadows. Crazy, because I looked at it and I was like, are they lip glosses? But they're liquid eyeshadows in like kind of like lip gloss components. Love it. Can't wait to try it. I love doing like a little glitter moment with liquid eyeshadows, so I can't wait to try this. I also love the blues. Maybe I will branch out and do some blues next week, because I do have a few holiday parties that I'm going to, and I feel like maybe that's the move. So definitely gonna try it out. Thank you so much, Luce Beauty. Alright guys, next I have a box from one of my favorite brands, and anytime they send me a holiday box, I just get so excited. It is from NARS, one of my favorite makeup brands. I have a lot of favorite makeup brands, but NARS is one of my favorites. This looks so cool. Style Unwrapped, the Holiday 2021 collection. Everything's so cool, like everything they do. So this is just actually their like PR and like telling us like what everything is, and everything is so cute, you guys. Look at that. Everything is so cool. I love all of the NARS packaging. I love all the NARS products. I love everything. Like, it's just so cool. I'm gonna be using all of it. NARS is just like my favorite, you know? Oh my gosh, a little orgasm blush. I have a lot of orgasm blushes, but this tiny one is just too cute, you know? I love all their gift sets. They always kill it. They always do a good job. Every year it's so much fun. They have the perfect stocking stuffers. So I just love their packaging, and I love their product, and I just love like their branding. The next package is from BEARBELLS. They have really amazing protein bars, and this is their holiday flavor, Holiday Crisp. but they have them at Trader Joe's. It is very, very popular, and it's all over TikTok as well. So they gave me a little gift set of like all of their like little holiday, like a little gift with like hot chocolate and a little cute like thing with their protein bars. I'm gonna be having one. I love to have these like on the go. I travel with them actually, and they're so yummy. This next package is from Tres Colori. They are so cute. They like send me jewelry. I have like all of the Arika necklaces, and they have a little card here, and they sent me a really pretty Christmas gift. I actually want to post this on Instagram story because it's just too cute. And they sent me little chocolates. Oh my god, how cute. Okay, so I'm gonna also story this. One of my favorite jewelry brands sent me a Christmas gift, Tres Colori. You guys are so cute. This is super cute. They also sent me little chocolates. Okay, so I want to open this because it's jewelry and I want to show you guys what's inside. Thank you so much, Tres Colori, for this gorgeous, gorgeous Cuban link. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be so sparkly and blingy for the holidays. I can't wait to wear this and add it to all of my outfits. It is so beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I love my Christmas present. All right, guys, the next package is from MAC. Oh my gosh, this is the MAC Haute Couture starring Rosalia. This looks so cute. I don't even want to like mess it up. Wow, the packaging is everything and so sexy and so cute, and it's definitely on brand for Rosalia. You guys, I'm so inspired to do like holiday looks now with all of this. I'm doing it all. You guys, there's even nail polish. How cute is that? I had these Louboutin nail polishes that were like so cute, and I used to have them in my old vlogs and get ready with me's. I don't know where they went. Like, where did they go? They were so cute on my vanity and I kind of miss them, but now I'm gonna put these on my vanity. How pretty are these? So cute. I love it. Thank you so much, MAC. Oh my gosh, she has so many nail lacquers with like her. She has so many. Oh my god, there's so many. I love it. I usually just have my nails always like not the same, but like I always get them done. But maybe I could bring these for like my toes, or I can add some of them to my nails. I just wanted to show you guys a bunch of the stuff that I got. There's so much, and I have so many boxes now, and I have just like a few more that I could do, but I'm actually just gonna do it on my Instagram story. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you guys keep in touch with me on all of my social media platforms. I actually do giveaways, and my last video, my last vlog, which is like the House of Gucci premiere and LA vlog, I actually have a giveaway like video at the very end. So I have two winners there that I didn't pick yet, and I'm actually going to be announcing them on my next vlog. So my Miami vlog that I'm going to be posting after this video, I will be announcing the winners. So yeah, definitely check out the last video and leave a comment below, because I do giveaways on all of these things because I can't keep it all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys again for supporting me and watching all of my stuff. If you guys have not already subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button below, leave a comment below, thumbs up the video if you guys like this, and make sure to keep in touch with me on all of my other social media platforms. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.